I just got the new Google Home speaker. Is it really worth replacing all of your Nest Minis for $99 each? Let's unbox it, shall we? Let me plug it in, connect it to Wi-Fi. So the speaker is now updating, it looks like. The speaker is now ready. Google suggests some use cases for using Gemini around the house. You can play media, get answers, manage your tasks, and control your home, and plan your day. So you can tap the center of the speaker to pause and play media. You can tap the white lights on the left and the right to control the volume. To turn off the mic, slide the switch at the base to show orange.
The mic's off.
And the mic is off. When you say the wake word, the light will glow white. When Gemini for Home is thinking, the light glows blue and purple. When you chat with Gemini for Home, you'll see the light cycle through different colors. And yeah, you can turn the mic light off if you would like. And you can also adjust the brightness of all lights on your speaker. So let's give it a test.
You is real, but they think that is fake. Don't like to chat with GPT despite my GPA. News is true. I've been running laps around them like a hula hoop. You know it's done. Honestly, just being honest, don't have time to really let up. If nothing's broke, I break it. News is true. I've been running laps around them like a hula hoop. You know it's
The speaker features richer 360 sound with 2 times stronger bass than the Google Nest Mini. I'm sure you were able to hear it in my little test that I did just now. There's also a 2 times larger driver for better, louder, and fuller sounds than the Nest Mini. So the Google speaker has a 50mm full range driver versus the 40mm full range driver in the Nest Mini. The Google Home speaker is also about 2 times taller and 2 times heavier than the Google Nest Mini. In terms of features, the Google Home and the Google Nest Mini pretty much have the same features. One key difference this year is with the new Google Home speaker, you're able to pair the speaker with the Google TV streamer. If you buy 2 of the speakers, you can even pair both of them to have a dual speaker setup. It also functions as a thread border router, smoke and carbon monoxide alarm detection. One key difference this year is the Google Home speaker has the light ring down at the bottom versus the 4 mini LEDs at the top of the Google Nest Mini. Gemini for Home is also included for help with everyday tasks, answers to questions, setting and editing reminders and calendar events, music streaming and smart home control, and with a Google Home Premium subscription. If you want to chat more naturally with Gemini, you can use the Gemini Live feature and other things like history of things that have happened in your house if you have like indoor smart cameras. In media impressions, I'm impressed with the sound. It does sound a bump up from the Google Nest Minis. Obviously it's bigger, has a more powerful driver. It features a mesh netting that covers the entire speaker compared to the mesh on the Google Nest Mini. The mesh on the Google Home speaker is pretty loose, like you can move it, you can see it move. Some people are concerned that this could affect durability over time. I am not too concerned about it personally because for my smart speakers, I just sort of set them up in different rooms and they aren't really getting like bumped or scratched. We'll see how they'll fare over time and with some usage in my house. I think I'm personally going to put this in my bathroom because that's where I listen to music in my house most often. And though I have enjoyed listening to music on my Google Nest Mini, it'll be nice to have a speaker that is both louder, a little bit crisper and fuller, and with more full bass. This speaker though, I don't know if people are going to be buying one for every single room just because of the price tag. It does retail at $99 on the Google website. Hopefully there will be like discounts for this down the line, or maybe Google can include it in like a bundle where it's like 2 for $120. Not sure. But $100 for the speaker does seem steep. I don't see myself going out and replacing all of my Google Nest Minis anytime soon, because these speakers honestly work perfectly fine and have good sound. I already have a bunch of them in my kitchen and my bathroom and stuff. And I don't need super excellent sound quality in every single room. So I definitely think Google has sort of an uphill battle for convincing people to upgrade their Google Nest Minis to Google Home speakers, only because I know a lot of people probably already own these devices and there aren't a whole lot of differentiators, right? What is the difference between these two? There's the new lighting system, the better sound and bass, but besides that, they're essentially the same speaker. You can talk to Gemini and do all of the same tasks on the speakers. You can even use Gemini Live if you have a paid subscription. So the only real reason to buy the speaker these days, I think, is because this is the most current Google Smart Home speaker. It does sound good. It has very good quality, so it's just up to you to determine if they're worth $100. Because you could probably get a decent speaker with good bass for much cheaper online. However, this is the only speaker that comes from Google directly and also has functionality like being able to create speaker groups. I will do an update on the speaker in a couple weeks, letting you know my full review once I've had some time to fully test it and put it through its paces. It's powered by a neural processing unit, which should help with processing AI tasks on device and also helps with energy efficiency. But yeah, that is my unboxing and initial impressions of the Google Home Mini. If you'd like to pick one up, like I said, Google is selling them online for $99. I'll put links to the speaker down in the description if you'd like to check it out. The speaker comes in a couple of different colors. I chose the black color, but it comes in like a pink, a mint, and a white as well. Thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to get subscribed if you aren't already. And be sure to check out my unboxing of the Google Fitbit Air if you have not seen it already and you have any interest in that. But thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Angel the Pixel Guy, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, you take care now. Bye-bye.